The next part we're going to show you in duct line editing is how to choose the direction you're going to edit the duct line. Practicad allows you to edit just one or a group of fittings together. You can edit the duct line forward, the duct line backwards, currently selected duct, or you can also edit the entire duct line as a whole. To be able to choose whether you edit duct line forward or duct line backwards, we're going to focus on the transition in the middle of the line. Currently, we're going to click on the transition. And notice that we've got the 3 nodes that Practicad makes available when we highlight duct. And if we go into the fitting parameter box and click on the fitting tab, you can see here that we're holding this duct by the in node, which is being represented by the blue square. So currently you can see that the arrow is pointing in the direction that we're actually going to edit the duct line in. It means that we're going to edit this duct line forward in this tutorial to start. So what we're going to do is double click on the transition and we're going to come over here to the top change. Notice that currently it is 0. What we're going to do is, because we're holding this duct by the in and we're going to edit from the in joint to the out joint in this tutorial that happens to be duct line forward, notice that if I take top change and make it 3, once we hit enter, Practicad will edit the duct line forward. So it raised the transition up and duct line forward was edited. However, if we were to take that top change and move it back to 0 and then switch the direction we're going to edit the duct, and we're going to do that by going to the fitting box, and notice right now that the blue arrow is pointing in this direction. But the second we go to switch it to out, you can see that the blue arrow is now pointing in the opposite direction. This is going to indicate that we're now going to edit this duct line backwards. So if we come here and now hit top change 3 and hit enter, you can see that it edits the duct line backwards. And once again, if we come up and say top change -3, Practicad's editing the duct line backwards. So by controlling our nodes forward and backwards, we can choose the direction that we edit in.